Hi, my name is Catherine Went with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. We've been featuring the Microsoft 365 products internally and in our monthly newsletter and in our webinars that we've been having. And so far we've collected a tip or a trick each and every month so far this year. So I have the 3 from the first quarter to share with you today. So the first one is, did you know that you can schedule an email to go out at a later date and time? So one way is you can go to office.com, go to the Outlook app, you can create your email, of course, and then you can choose to send later. Pick your date and time, and it will go out. Another option that I use is on my local machine. I'll do options delay delivery, and I'll set it up then. The trick there, though, is that machine has to be on and running at the delivery date and time. If you do it online or through the app, it will automatically go out whether you're logged in or not. The second one is the Teams backgrounds. So you've probably seen some people have some crazy fun with that. It might just be that you're working out of your kitchen, or it might be that you're in a room that isn't maybe as tidy as you'd like it to be, or maybe you just want a professional logo image behind you when you're doing the Teams meetings. So what you can do is, before the meeting starts, you can click the 3 dots and you can ask it to apply a background, choose one that's there, or have one created, and then you can select that one at a later date. We've had some fun things with moons and data centers and spaghetti cables. And I've also seen some really nice ones with logos in the background, and we're playing with a Syscon wallpaper that Beth had designed for us. So we'll let you know how that turns out. The third one is backups. So whether you're using OneDrive, SharePoint, email through 365, 1, 2, or all 3, you need a third-party backup. So everyone says to me, well, Microsoft is backing it up. Okay, yes, but no. Microsoft, if they went down, they can absolutely come back up with the latest image and be up and running. You bet. But you're not going to call Microsoft and say, hey, that Excel document I deleted last month, I need it back. Could you go get it for me and restore it? That's not going to happen. So whether it's something you accidentally deleted, something that became corrupted and you want an older version, email that had been deleted intentionally or not, and now you need it back, those are the things you need that third-party backup for. And there are some great tools. If you need help with any one of these, or all 3, let us know. We're here. These are great tools, and they're all part of the Microsoft 365 product. Thanks for your time, and hope you have a great rest of your day.